Hi friends, welcome to Arc Tutorials. Today we are starting a brand new series on Bootstrap 5. This is a full tutorial series for absolute beginners. If you are a beginner or an experienced developer or designer with Bootstrap, you'll find this tutorial extremely useful and helpful since I'll cover from basic to advanced. In today's episode, we'll talk about little bit about Bootstrap. We'll know why to learn it, what are the different features, and also the version history. Let's get started. I'm your host. My name is Sridhar. This is part of the Bootstrap 5 full tutorial series and the playlist. The playlist link is in the description box below. Make sure you don't miss out on any of the steps since we will be doing a iteration of learning. And during the course of this tutorial series, if you have any doubts, just let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you. All right, so let's talk about what is Bootstrap, right? So Bootstrap is a framework which will help us to quickly design, customize responsive mobile first sites with Bootstrap. It's also world's most popular front-end open source toolkit. It has a lot of features like SAS variables, mixins, absolutely powerful responsive grid system, and a lot of pre-built components. It also supports a lot of JavaScript plugins, which comes in very handy, right? And if you really want to explain and break it down the above statement into simple terms, think of it this way that Bootstrap is a giant collection of handy, reusable bits of code written in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now, when I say reusable bits of code, I mean by frequently used components like navigation bar, grid, or buttons, cards, etc. It's also a front-end development framework that enables developers and designers to quickly build responsive websites. When we say responsive website, we mean the website will work on any device resolution, be it a mobile phone, iPad, desktop, or large screens. Bootstrap is completely free to use in our personal or commercial projects. Bootstrap saves you a lot of time writing the CSS code, which you otherwise would be end up writing your own. These are all thoroughly tested, which means it will work in almost all browsers and you don't have to worry about cross-browser compatibility. Now the question comes, why do you want to learn Bootstrap, right? Is it worth learning? So remember that Bootstrap is one of the leading design frameworks, the others being Foundation or Material Design. But Bootstrap, the important thing here is it offers a lot of set of components, utilities, and features which allows us to rapidly build applications really quickly and fast. It's very simple, easy to learn, and hence also the reason why it's so popular. Bootstrap is used by world's top leading companies in most of the projects. Bootstrap also plays really well with any development framework of your choice, like for example, Angular, React, or any .NET. So the idea here is Bootstrap is a plug and play framework. You can plug in with any framework of your choice. You're not restricted to use only in one framework. You can use it with anything. Lastly, Bootstrap saves you a lot of time because you don't have to rewrite the same code again and again. If you are having a large development team or different members, they all can follow same typography, same coding standards. Now let's talk a little bit about the version history. So Bootstrap was first released in the year 2011, and it was developed at Twitter. And then after that there have been 20 releases, including two major rewrites. Version 2 was a big rewrite. Version 3 is a big rewrite. The current stable version that we have is version 4, and the next major version which is coming out is version 5. And in this particular series, we are focusing on version 5. Why? It's already in alpha. In few months, it will become stable and will become ready in market. I'm trying to bring you the latest tutorial so that you stay on the cutting edge of learning technologies. So its version 5 is in alpha as of August 2020. It would be stable in another 1 or 2 months, and it will be a big release because it's a complete rewrite. A lot of things are coming up new. What are those changes? That's what we are going to learn in the next episode. I hope you are enjoying this brand new series on Bootstrap 5. It's an alpha. It's really exciting. If you can see, the logo itself has changed. A lot of things have changed. We'll cover all of that in the next episode. If you are like if you like this video, give a thumbs up to the video, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and as always, keep supporting me and the channel. Thank you so much for your love and support. See you in the next episode.